In this video, we will show you how to record your iPhone screen with the built-in screen recording feature in iOS. First, make sure that the screen recording feature is enabled in your control center. To do this, go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the Control Center option and tap it. Find the Screen Recording option and tap the plus icon next to Screen Recording to add it to your control center. Then you will find the screen recording added to the included controls. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone or swipe up from the bottom of the screen if you're using an iPhone with a home button to open the control center. In the control center, tap the Screen Recording button. It looks like a circle with a solid white dot inside. After tapping the Screen Recording button, you may see a countdown timer. Your iPhone will start recording whatever is displayed on the screen, including your interactions with apps and the operating system. You can check the details of how to record your iPhone screen from our screen recording. To stop recording, either tap the red status bar at the top of the screen and then tap Stop, or return to the control center and tap the Screen Recording button again. Once you've stopped recording, the video will be saved to your Photos app.